When the city don't fix the potholes, we do it ourselves here. A little bit of water. Come back and get some concrete. Got the concrete here. I'm going to pour some concrete in, then finish it off with some water, and we're going to get out of here before we get in trouble. Alright, got the concrete poured in there. Spread it around a little bit. Fixing it up. Little stampy stamp here and there. Come back and pour some water on it, and then that's that. Then there's not a huge pothole anymore, and you know, maybe the neighborhood will appreciate me more. And there you have it, filled up pothole. Hopefully it dries and it won't be there no more. Toodaloo. There it is a week later, all the cement's dried up and, you know, free labor.